Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And I have a little mechanical thing on my truck I'm going to be fixing. So I have a Ford F150. It's a 1998 model, if that matters to anybody. But anyways, this is not engaging when we try to close the lid. It latches the first latch, but it won't latch otherwise. So there's actually a spring down in here that's broken, so we're gonna have to figure out how to fix it. First thing I'm going to do is take this plastic housing cover off, and it just has 6 Phillips screws right here holding it on, plus the tire crank thing. I have to get that off of there, out of the way. Okay, now we took the housing off. That was no big deal. To get this out, we need to undo those 2 bolts right there. And I'm not sure if there's another one down there that'll have to be done, but you can access the back of them really easy right there. But the broken spring, you can see it's right there. That's dangling down. That's the one end that hooks right there in those 2 little holes. But I think I can almost see the other end of where it broke off at, but I can't tell on this side yet where it was connected at. The bolts are a 5/16 size, and the clip thing is staying on there that it's attached, or it's screwing into. Much easier with a little ratchet wrench. Okay, and then that just comes out, and there's where the other piece is. So that's what's broken right there. So the release cable spring is what it is. So that's what I'll need to replace. So he looked through his stuff. We got a spring. Otherwise, if this one doesn't work right, and we haven't tried it yet, if it doesn't get on there, then we'll have to go see if we can buy one somewhere. But it's pretty close to that one. It's a little fatter. So anyways, we're going to give that a try. Oh, helps if I show. This is the hard part, stretching the spring.
Yeah. I need a tool for that. And a pair of pliers.
I think you did it. Should I go pull the release cable and thing?
Oh, allow me.
Okay. Yep. I think I did it. Now we just have to put it back together.
Not the legal spring.
Don't tell anybody. What do we do with those bolts? It would have been easier to get those out if we had sprayed them with some WD-40 or something. That clip was a little rusty. You want me to hold that down?
Yeah. Really handy.
All right. Time to test it. We got it all back together, so we put that housing back on there. Have to be sure and put my rod on there to take the tire down. Oh my gosh, it's so much better. He's gonna pop the hood to make sure it comes back up. Yep. It's all fixed. Thanks for watching.